You never leave anything on top of the ladder. It just bonked me on the head. Okay, we're taking this outside. Okay, so I need to put a beam up here for when they do the foundation work. So the junior crazy wrecker is going to help me. Let's go. All right, get the cord out of the way. Okay, we don't know where we're going to need to step. Get all of this stuff out of our way. Okay, don't make more of a mess.
You know, when there's already a mess and you add to a mess, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it does. That additional
Not this kind
mess,
of mess.
that additional mess might be the factor that prevents you from success. All right, let's go. We're going to bring it in. You might have to bring it in at this angle.
All right.
Okay? So I'll go first. Don't throw stuff at me. All right. Okay, stop. Stop. Don't fool around.
Not fooling around.
All right, the idea is to not hurt ourselves. Okay, I already got a problem. Hold on. Hold it. Go back. All right, now. Hold on. Hold on. All right, now. Stay there. Now, keep holding it up, but move to this area. Yes, there you go.
This is going to be a problem.
Okay, now. We got a problem here.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, I can't get up. Ah, crap.
Can you slide it in a bit more?
Yeah, but that isn't the problem.
Well, then you got to go at an angle.
I am going at an angle.
Well, you need to go at more of an angle.
Hold it. See, we're always going to have the same problem. How the hell are we supposed to get this in? No, but see, the problem is we need to angle it enough and then slide.
Yes, but we don't have enough angle attack.
Hold on. Hold it up like this. No. Hold it. Yeah. Hold it up. Don't let it slip. This way. Keep it in that direction. Okay, your job is to make sure it doesn't slip. I need to lower it. Okay. No, we don't.
No, that's not working.
All right, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let it down. Let it actually come over here where I'm at. Okay? Keep it there. Okay. See that? How it's starting?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now lower it. Lower it. Keep lowering it more.
Okay, hold on. No problem.
No, that ain't gonna help either.
Maybe if we just stuck it up there and then...
Yeah, but see, then how am I going to get it? I think the only way, I'm going to have to cut it in half and then put that post in the middle. I think that's the only way.
Perhaps, yes.
Yeah, see, there's no way. Oh, wait. Put it down. Put it down on the ground. We're taking it out. When we were getting stuck,
We're getting stuck on that beam.
on the
On this.
yeah, okay. Go outside. Just go straight out. That's fine. Put it down. We're good. Not on your foot. Ow. Where's the beam?
Do you need a new blade?
Ah.
Tighten it.
Unplug it, get it out of the way. This still might not work.
It's probably gonna get caught on that top one.
Okay, wait. Just stay there. Keep pressing in that direction.
It's gonna get caught on that top.
Maybe. Yeah. That's it.
It's just too long. Dad,
What?
that's not all the way on the side. If it was just a bit shorter.
It's not just a bit shorter. Hold it straight. All right.
You
We're
lower it?
coming down. See, the problem is it needs to be resting on the top
Yeah, I know.
beam. And we just don't have enough room.
There's some in my eye.
So he's not going to like it. But it is what it is. You know what? This needs to come down. Hold on. Just hold it upright. You never leave anything on top of the ladder. It just bonked me on the head. Okay, we're taking this outside. Well, it is what it is. No, leave that alone. Leave that alone.
Sharpening the
All right, I need your help. Give me the tape measure.
It's outside.
I know. Where outside?
Near the gate.
I don't see it. Did you bring it back in?
It was there.
Well, it's not there.
And it's inside. It's right here.
All right. When we took the measurement, it's against the wall.
Yes.
That's 6 feet 1 inch. Bring the ladder over, do the same thing on the other side. See, it goes out further. Is that it? It's not even. See, 6 feet 1 inch and a half. All right, let go. Where's the circular saw? Is it out there?
Yes.
All right, come here. Help me get it up onto the thing.
Okay, look.
You unplugged it. Okay. Bring all these boards inside. Which boards? Well, what boards do you see? Just put it over there. Come on, we gotta clean up and go. All right. So I put that up. I cut that joist in half. I've got a beam in the middle here. I've got a beam on the bottom. I still have yet to make it level and plumb. And now I'm going to put up the other thing with my minion. Yeah, I saw the funny faces you made last time too, Bucko.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you did. Okay. Now. All right, we're going to put this one up. That's no good. That's no good. We still need to secure the ends over there, but for now we're okay. Okay, lower you already. Okay. Put it up there. Now.
Fantastic.
Okay, hold it so it doesn't fall on me. Where's the other bracket? Did you throw it over there?
No. I put it on there.
What? Oh. So to attach the 2x10s to the 4x4, I got these brackets, but I'll show it later. They're sitting on top of the 4x4. This is just to hold it in place. And eventually, I'm going to frame all of this.
What?
Stop laughing.
No, get off the ladder.
Why are you saying get off the ladder?
You're gonna hit me. Get off the ladder.
Okay, I need the drill. Let's see what I'm going to use. Why do you feel compelled to keep laughing when there is nothing humorous going on?
There's no reason. I'm not laughing.
You know what, I'm going to do this. Actually, all right. I'm not going to do the top part until we finish this part.
5 o'clock you should go home.
Because we're going to be shifting it this way. I don't want to lock that in from the other hand. All right, now, here's where the unpleasantness comes in. See this board?
Yeah.
I want it to be one piece.
What do you mean one piece?
Well, I got a board that will go across completely and be one piece. That way, we know the entire wall will be secure. And see how I've got it nailed there?
Yeah.
I mean, screwed in. I can put in brackets. See, because if this starts to buckle, see, look at that. If this starts to buckle, the whole wall could go. So I need to secure it to the base plate there. You get it? Like, let's say there's an earthquake, this could shift.
Yeah.
You know, that's the end of that. So that means we got to get the long piece from underneath. Well, I thought that wasn't going to happen, and yet it did.